I can't because it just goes like that. Doesn't catch it.
Sparks!
Idiot.
One of them landed on my leg, Aunt Mary.
What happened?
One of them landed on my leg.
Oh,
It's right there. No, it's right here.
I was just gonna ask. She's coming back with us tonight over to the house.
I don't know.
You gotta come with somebody.
That's it? Huh?
Really would.
Yeah. Stuff's starting to fall down now.
Betty, I'd have to think that half the cops are sure.